yokugcina Dion Hoto Oyintshebe uyayiva ke ngoku uselamane njana ebhodini esikhathini besifakiwe uyalisusa uPeterson uThino Mpempe uyishaka kodwa uyishaka bili uyishaka thathu iyadlula iKaizer Chiefs emva kwamasizini ayishumi ingayazi indebe lafika ithimba elisha lakhe uNazareth Nabi laphakamisa indebe yeNedbank Cup 10 years isidlulile bawuqopha umlando abayo ke lapha ke Kaizer Chiefs iyadla impofu idlukudla kwashona we iyadla impofu idlukudla kwashona we iyadla impofu idlukudla kwashona we iyadla impofu idlukudla kwayo abafana bokuthula noxolo the Perfect Glamour Boys amakhosi iyadla impofu idla ukudla kwayo. What a way to come back for Kaizer Chiefs. Izovuka nge-Orlando Pirates emva kokuthi i-Orlando Pirates ishayile i-Kaizer Chiefs ngeviki ke eledlule ithi i-Kaizer Chiefs abenziwa njalo. Ngiyabuya eThekwini Nazareth Nabi uthatha indebe yokuqala nqa eNingizimu Afrika uyinqoba ngeqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs. Uzokulapha ke uNazareth Nabi eTanzania wanqoba ke indebe nge-Young Africans wathi lapha ke eCongo wanqoba ke indebe nge-AC Leopards. Kodwa ke nange namhlanje uza la eNingizimu Afrika in his first season unqoba ke indebe yeNedbank Cup ngeqembu leKaizer Chiefs. Uyayiva ke uba injani iNedbank Cup azehlihla ikhishi linikezwe abaseNaturena ubaba ngisho amanzi imbala eOrlando ithi nje iKaizer Chiefs Dankie Naturena ithi nje Dankie Orlando iyabonga iNaturena iyadla impofu idlukudla kwashona we 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 iyadla impofu idlukudla kwa Kaizer Chiefs idayisa uvalo ithenga isibindi izophakamisa indebe ukhala kufanele Mduduzi Shabalala uke wagxekwa isikhathi eside kuKaizer Chiefs sitha kwinika wekhona 2014-2015 season iKaizer Chiefs igcina ke umnqoba indebe yeliga naye ke ukhala kufanele emva kweminyaka eyishumi iKaizer Chiefs ingayazi ke silverware uthi ke uNazareth Nabi ngibuyile ke madoda ngizonsiza ayijabula ibhalo ebusweni ke lapha ke kubalandeli kanti ke ku-Orlando Pirates uvalwe ke ngehlahla abayijwayele sidalo ke le ebavelela ke namhlanje kumele balinde ke ngempela ukuze bathathe lapha ke ama-silver medals wabo abayo lapha ke Orlando Pirates. Kaizer Chiefs yona icelela nje uxolo nothando ethi nje sicela uxolo nothando madoda lo 7 million uyalapha ke eNaturena iyadla impofu idlukudla kwayo shona we iyadla impofu idlukudla kwayo. Igoli lokugcina elishawe iKaizer Chiefs uvele waba indoda u-Oximthethwa wafuna lapha ke uShabalala wadraya uShabalala wadraya ibhasi uShabalala Ashley Duprier wayicreatela in space lathola uYusuf Marta awuswiti nomkatakatito simaswiti mntanami awusmatisa yasidla iKaizer Chiefs yasidla impofu iyadla impofu idlukudla kwayo shona we iyadla impofu idlukudla kwayo awuswiti nomkatakatito simaswiti mntanami bathi nje it's payback time abalandeli bayo lapha ke Kaizer Chiefs 10 years no cup bathi enough is enough bathi idrought iphelile idumele mkhune uthi madoda umlando wethu esawusebenzela ke ngamandla sicela ukuthi ke nobuyise 2 Kaizer Chiefs 1 Orlando Pirates yadlala TV.
How it ends at the Moses Mabhida Stadium. It is the Kaizer Chiefs that walk away as the Nedbank Cup champions. Before we reveal then who is the man of the match, this is what he will be getting. we do have just some technical issues. It is the Kaizer Chiefs captain, Yusuf Maat, that is the Nedbank Cup man of the match. Yusuf, in a decade, you become the first captain to lead this team to glory as the Nedbank Cup champions. How do you feel?
Yeah, firstly, we say Alhamdulillah to the Almighty, and for my teammates, and for the technical team, and for the supporters who always stand behind us. We know we're through difficult times, but we couldn't do it without our supporters, without our teammates, with one spirit, with one love, with one character, and I'm grateful.
Let's talk about your goal. You are right-footed, and you hit that with your left. The precision on that left foot.
Yeah, I'm both feet at the end of the day, so no matter how it came, so I just put my eyes on the ball and just said Bismillah, and I just kicked goal.
Let's talk about the fighting spirit that this team displayed here today. In a cup final, packed stadium against arch rivals, you are able to win.
Yeah, we know, like I said, the result is not going our way in the league. But I think today we are collective like a team. We are fighting together. Technical team had the right mindset. Our players had the right mindset. I think the supporters also, the outside had a right mindset for us. And from my side, I just want to say thank you to them for always coming out and supporting us. At least we came with something home for them, for the chairman, for the technical team, for us as players to have that in our name. You know, like I say, it goes.
On a personal note, you've been able to lead this team, whether during heartbreak, sometimes during celebrations. On a personal note, this victory, what does it mean?
Yeah, it mean like I can't explain it at the end of the day, but it's been tough. I can look behind my shoulders and say it was a tough road, but we stick together, like united as a team, as a supporters, as a technical team, and the management. Just say thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yusuf Maat, of course, he played for Orlando Pirates at the Diski level. He then moved on to playing for different teams, and then he comes back to Kaizer Chiefs, and he has been entrusted with the captain's armband. I am now going to be joined by his coach.